Hey, welcome back to the Heel&Toe channel. We'll talk about cars and then some. Today I've brought you something really nice. We thought we'd start with, reviewing certain types of cars, and today we started with hot hatches. And the first one is this. Here it is, the EP91, right? EP91, yes, EP91 Glanza. I mean, look at it. It's a 98. When have you seen such a car that is 20 years old, but it's cleaner than your own car? Look at it. So smooth. Oh, by this is stock, completely. Oh yeah, this hood scoop is actually functional. It's kind of hard. We want boosting? No, we were not. The only thing that might not be stock is this. The TRD badge, but well, it's expected because TRD actually stands for Toyota Racing Division, which is the racing division for Toyota. Anyway, let's take a slight walk. As you see, the other things the car has, but these are for the hood, so that when you're going really fast, your hood doesn't pop. You just put in a few stoppers right here, through, and the other. Yeah, for this one had some trouble, so we chucked it. But look at the lines, look at the smooth lines. Oh God. Has curves. Also, take a look. We have a sunroof. When have you seen a sunroof on a Glanza? Yeah, I don't know. What do I tell you? It's a sunroof on a Glanza. It's amazing though. Anyway, look at how the lines flow so smoothly. Look at the tires. These are 14 inches with check out the wheels. And fun fact, or rather an Easter egg, we have actual TRD's cups for the valve cups at TRD. Tell me, so cool. Also, let's get to the back. We have a 2.5 inch exhaust, which as much as inches don't I'm not even going to get to the debate of inches, but these 2.5 inches are enough. It makes a really awesome sound. At this point though, we should get inside the car so you see what more is there. Let's go in. This is a heavy door, by the way. But these doors are usually, actually, if you notice, they're a bit longer because on coupes or 2+2, which would describe this car, they're usually a bit longer so that you can slide into the back. Title of our sex tape. Anyway, let's get in. Let's just drop it. Ah, my God. Woo. Yeah, once you get in, you sink in completely. Let me just get a bit comfortable. First, this is a Recaro seat, yeah, a legit Recaro seat. So it's a racing seat, and it has bolsters on the side, so that when you're cornering, you get those G-forces, yeah, you won't be thrown completely off the rails. Now you'll be held snugly while holding this. It's such a small, nice steering, you know. And you want a small, nice steering, especially for a car that is you're going to be doing some spirited driving in, so that your turning circles are not as wide. It's just smooth inputs. As you can see, this is actually it is 20 years old, by the way. It does look a bit dated. But then again, this is what you want in this car. That classy look. The only thing that I would say is not exactly stock would be this console over here. We have a DVD console. Yeah, DVDs. But it does have Bluetooth and whatnot. But the best part, look at this. It is a manual. A stick shift, clutch in, and you go to first and second and third and fourth and fifth. It actually has a bit of a long throw, if I'm being honest. But you know what, when you start driving it, we'll actually see whether it is a long throw or not. Now, let's try and get into the back. It's kind of, we're on an incline, so getting out is a bit of a stretch. I got this. So let's see, where is that button? So we pull it. As I've been told by Mr. Seiji, Recaros don't move. Maybe we should try the other side. Should we try the other side? Let's go to the other side. Okay. Let's see if we can pull this back. Woo. So we pull this and we dive into the back, but now we have to also flatten that get in the back and pull this. It is kind of snug though, because my knees are literally next to the seat, but it's not so bad. It's not so bad. Oh, also look, oh, it's actually here to keep me company, you know. But this is a 2+2. If you're 6 foot plus, yeah, this is not the place you want to be. But then again, look at this. A sunroof! You guys, me, I can't get over this sunroof thing. Nah. I think at this point though, we should actually get to drive it and see how it is. See you in a minute.
But before we get to driving, let's first of all find out what exactly are we driving. So, as you've heard, this is the EP91. Now the EP91 came with a 4 EFTE engine. It's a 1.3 liter turbocharged engine, producing 130 horsepower. And let's take a look. So this is the engine itself. The turbo is somewhere here, somewhere. Turbo accessories like the BOV here. The intercooler is up here. The piping, as you can see, yeah, very, very powerful engine. 130 horsepower might not sound a lot, but the car is less than a ton, so you can imagine the power to weight ratio is going to be a lot. Yes. More about the car, aside from the engine, comes with the 14-inch tires, discs all round because it's a sports car. Only modification that I've seen so far, maybe the BOV and the decutted 2.5 exhaust, 2.5 inches exhaust. Otherwise everything is good. Sunroof, stick shift manual. It's going to be an interesting drive. So here we are, EP91. Stick shift inanipatia shida kidogo. Sijazoea hii maneno. I'm an automatic guy, but this car feels good. As you can see, it's a very nice car, very, very sporty, very, very fun to drive. The performance is epic. Turning circle is really, really small. Generally a good car to drive. The brakes are good. The brakes are epic. Lovely, lovely car. Lovely, lovely car.
We have a CG over here with Mr. Sean, and we are talking about this car and a few things that we love. We start with what we love first. Make sense?
No.
What? We start with what we hate?
Yes.
What do you hate?
There's not a lot of space, but anyway, it's a 90s castle, I understand.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit...
there's an increase in... decrease in cup holders. Nimetoka kutoka 10 cup holders to these two over here, which you can't use.
You were saying something?
Show me how it's done. Show me.
Oh yeah, by the way, it's true, we have no cup holders here. This is actually annoying. By the way, I'll be very honest, and I've talked to the owner. He actually says it's something that is bugging him. Because, you know our Fit, yes, we do have a Honda Fit. And one of the best things about it is that it has so much space to put things in.
10 cup holders.
10 cup holders, Jesus Christ. But over here,
dashboard openings.
What are you going to put in here? What would happen? Nini?
Nah. This is the place where you put your phone.
Actually, let me tell you, the first thing he told me when he entered into the Fit is that, oh my God, you have so much space. Every time, you know how chicks complain that their dresses don't have pockets?
Yes.
That's exactly how this feels like. Because it's something that is actually lacking. But I will say this driving position isn't bad.
It's good. I didn't even have to adjust the seat.
No, my foot goes all the way. And I'm about 5'7" or so.
5'7"?
Oh yeah, I'm of average height.
5'7"?
Yeah, of average height.
You just googled average height and you put yourself there.
Yeah, in Africa. Anyways, I can fit properly, but if you're about 6'3", wait, but there's a friend of mine who also has another Starlet, and it's about 6'3", and he actually fits nicely, but his seat has to be all the way back.
So if he's driving, there's nobody who can sit behind him.
No.
I don't even think you can fit a booster seat or even a child seat.
The only person who can fit here are, if your kids are 0.5 kids.
Fetuses, really. Just fetuses.
Fetuses or feta? What? No.
Okay, wingi wa fetus.
Wow. Okay, here's another thing I like. This sunroof, by the way, is the sunroof button, by the way.
Yeah,
it's open. Ooh. Oh.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
What
you know about a sunroof? Hey, shidari nini? Me don't even tell me. Right now I'm on third. It feels nice. I'm about at 2,500 RPM. It's a bit. Let me just shift it into fourth. Oh yeah, so now it's a bit quieter. Yeah, but so far it's a smooth ride. I'm feeling comfortable. This is actually a very nice daily, as much as it's posted.
Yes, I like the sound insulation.
Yeah, because it's actually insulated.
Compared with other hatches that are in the future episodes, you will see the differences. There's some of them that do not have sound deadening.
Oh yeah. Also, if you guys have seen my, Old Man Jenkins here. Old Man Jenkins our death trap does not have soundproofing. Soundproofing for who?
Race car.
It is race car maneno. So damn loud, louder than your girlfriend last night. God, and not for the right reasons. But I should stop talking.
What were you doing to her? What were you doing to her?
Nah. We're not starting a decision. Anyway, what are the good things have you noticed?
Yeah, that drive was very, very short.
It is.
Kama nimezima gari mara kama zote.
Oh, yeah. This clutch, by the clutch, yes, I had to tell
the clutch is
light.
You see, even the seasoned, even the veteran.
The bite point is so it's this slim, but once you get it, it's really good. And we also have boost on that. Boost kicks in over. Oh, also, we have shift lights. Are they shift lights? I'm going to assume they're shift lights.
I think it's the boost. The boost is.
Oh, it feels so well. Actually, let's see how much we can do. See, we do this, and then it builds. Oh my God. I see why boosted guys love these cars. Because that can be open, that blow. I'm like, oh.
And then I've really missed.
What have you missed?
Hydraulic power steering. The steering is weighty.
Oh yeah, this actually does feel weighty.
I've gone back to my car and I was feeling
like this.
Weightless. Weightless.
Well, to be fair, electric power steering does have its advantages. I'm assuming it's going to be cheaper to produce. Yeah, there's also fuel economy. Really? How so?
Seeing the hydraulic system is contributes to parasitic losses on the engine because it has to spin.
It has to keep spinning. So marginally there is.
That's why the car is cutting out. Because when I was turning the steering wheel, I wasn't driving it. So the steering was.
Actually, let's do something. Let's see if this works. I'm not even going to lie. That felt nice. That felt very nice. I will say this. For a first-time car owner, and you're a bit of a petrol head, this is a really good place to start. It is light. It isn't too. It's still front-wheel drive, so you won't get into messy situations. It is cheap, relatively.
Yes.
Yeah. So I mean, this is something really nice to start out with. And you don't. It's not too complicated. You have your manual box and a bit of boost, just enough to get used to boost, because you don't want too much boost when you're trying to learn how to drive in a spiritual manner, should I say. Yeah. So if you're looking, and this should actually serve as the outro. Should it, Mr. Editor, should it?
Yes.
Yeah. So as an outro, if you're looking for a car to start out with, try the EP91 Starlet, if you can find it, Glanza that is.
Or even the EP82.
Or even the EP82. Yeah. Anyways, we shall be diving more into these cars later on. So keep it Heel&Toe as usual.
90s hatchback.
90s hatchback. As usual, hit us up on our social medias at Heel&Toe 254 across everything. SoundCloud, Facebook, Instagram, Anchor. What else is that? We had our gaming stream. Twitch. Yep, you'll find us. In the meantime, I think we've finally come to the end of our journey. We shall see you all next time.
It's
Peace.
over. Bye bye.